icing, sucker! No icing, sucker! Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Are you seeing this?
Yep.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yes! What did he just say? Did he just say Colorado won the Stanley Cup? Look! Wait! Oh, I'm sorry, you're right. What?
Is that for
We did it! We did it! We did it! His name's McDonald.
The third Stanley Cup in franchise history, the first since 2001, when they beat New Jersey in 7
I love you.
games. They swept Florida back in 1996, so for the second time in the 3 titles, they win it.
Are you gonna be posting this on YouTube?
Here, I hand it to you first.
Dale McCarthy
No, never.
well,
For my private files. It's Nathan McKinnon, the Stanley Cup winning Nathan McKinnon. It's Nathan McCarr, Stanley Cup winning Nathan McCarr.
Looks like you're shaving that beard tomorrow.
Looks like I'm shaving this beard tomorrow.
There's Eric Johnson in tears, the longest serving Avalanche player. Victory to the Avs. Eric Johnson, 12 years.
We need the cup real quick though, because I gotta take him to his mom. Handshakes all around. Look, the network's like, hurry it up.
You can actually get these correct.
Why wouldn't I be? I waited a long time for this moment, and to spend it with my son, you have no idea. I told you this meant a lot to me.
As the Stanley Cup Championship.
This was, believe it or not, this was 50 cents at a yard sale.
And it's the most valuable thing I own, because he gave it to me for Father's Day 2 years ago. And now, it's our Stanley Cup Champions Cup. That's Stanley Cup winning Nathan McKinnon. Oh wait, first he's got to hoist it. We got to hoist it. I like saying the word hoist.
One of the great traditions is the handshake line. Usually a highlight the respect.
We won. We did it. The Colorado Avalanche just won. I get a hat. I get a hat. We gotta see what my hat looks like. Where's the hats? They gotta be wearing hats now. Where's the hats? Show me what the hat looks like. Show me what the hat looks like. Show me what the hat looks like. Patrick, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, my man, and your game-winning OT goal after your gruesome injury and your beautiful recovery. Your name is going on the Stanley Cup, sir. It's going on the Stanley Cup, son. Yours is already on it. Who's good? It ain't over yet. How much time do we have? What time is it? We got these a couple weeks ago at the conference finals. And here we are. What are we, Flynn?
It's 9.
No, is it really? Don't round up like that. What are we now? Look, he's crying like me. We're Stanley Cup champions.
Yes. Stanley.
Bender! My man! Oh, that's the coach's family. Oh, all right. Far out. Far out.
Dreaming of being an NHL coach and winning a Stanley Cup. One of the good guys, Ray. You have to feel great for him. And that's it.
Woohoo!